How to make a numbered list in Google Docs. Need to organize tabs or chapters. Let's make a numbered list in Google Docs. So, step one, highlight the text you want to turn into a list. So, simply set the title of the text into a heading to be able to add this into your list. So, after that, go ahead and select insert at the top left, and then select page elements, and then select table of contents, and then in here go ahead and set this to plain text, and this will allow you to create your numbered list in Google Docs. And that is how to make a numbered list in Google Docs.